Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a comforter from Temu website for extremely cheap. So let's get started. So Temu is a online website or a marketplace that delivers the product directly to customer from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So Temu, here we can just know Temu.com, and here at the search button I will directly search for the comforter. So here we can see some comforters. So I will just select this. So this comforter will cost you $24.48. So here we can see the comforter. It's a very cushiony, okay, and it's a breathable, and it is a washing machine washable. Okay, you can see the sizes also for the queen, twin, and other. And we can see some rating. It's come with a great rating of 4.7. And if you scroll down, you can see the detail. So you can see some details also. It will look like this something. Okay, it's have a crisscross pattern. Okay, size reference you can take. So to buy, you have to click on add to cart. Then you have to click on the buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a comforter on Temu website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the Temu app on your phone or your PC. So bye.